The vector or the position vector. The position vector is always related to the origin. This one is always related with origin. The mathematical definition, if I'm writing, for example, I need to work for P and Q is given, and I need to work for PQ. Then what is the mathematical form? The logic is very simple. PQ. Whatever it is written after, we will write it down first minus P. Like for example, if we need to calculate the R and M, then what I will write it down? M minus R. And with respect to position vector, so I will write OQ minus OP. But the procedure of solving the question is remain same. OM minus OR. This is the mathematical form. This is only for your guidance. Now come on the question. The P and Q is given. And we need to work for P and Q. How we will do that? For example, I'm writing this part. This is only for your guidance. Like I will solve with the Q. The Q is -1 and -6. -1, comma, -6. Then there is a minus sign according to the mathematical expression, and the p value is 0, 5. What I will write it down here? -1. This is x coordinate. This is x coordinate. X deal with the x. Y deal with the y. -1, -0, comma, -6, -5. The remaining one is -1, comma, -11. And I will write it down PQ in the form of vector. It will be -1I minus 11J. It will be the final answer. I'm just highlighting it. I hope it is clear. Now come on the next concept. The next concept is unit vector. Unit vector is also very easy. The mathematical definition I have written in front of you. The vector upon modulus of this one. Modulus is also called magnitude. This is the question. And we need to find out the unit vector of V. How we will do that? Like, for example, V, the vector 2I minus J is given. K is not present in the question. No problem. I coefficient, 2 square, minus 1 square J coefficient. And there is no K coefficient. That's why I'm putting the 0. There's no K. For your understanding only. Okay, this is 0. It will become 2I minus J upon under root of 4 plus 1. It will become 2 root 5. The root 5 will remain root 5 of I minus 1 upon root 5 of J. It will be the unit vector. I hope it is clear. I'm just putting in the box. Now the next concept is ratio formula. The P and Q are ratios. For example, if there is a question that they're asking for position vector and giving you data with like, for example, point C, point D. For example, the point C is 2I minus 3J and D is 3I plus 2J, for example. And the ratio are 4:3. Again, I'm repeating the question. What is the target of the question? The question target is find the position vectors of division. अगर आपके पास ऐसे लिखा हुआ है, find the position vector with division, yeah, of point of division. Point of division. If you recall your analytical geometry, then you will get an idea. Okay, always whenever there's a division, it can be internal and external in the analytical geometry, but there is no concept of the internal and external. They will just give you the ratio value, which is P and Q. You will just insert in this. This is called position vector. The R is called position vector. This is your target here, the position vector. This is your target. What you will do actually? Firstly, R is equal to Q. Q is what? ये देखिए. Q ये आपका P है, and this is your Q. The Q is 3 and P is 4. Make a format. It will be comparatively easy for you. Mm, P is 3 and P value is 3 and 2i minus 3j. A vector. C vector will represent the A vector and B vector is D vector. It's 3i plus 2j. 3 2 is 6i, 3 3 is 9j, 3 4 is 12i, 4 2 4 is 8j. D plus 4 is 7. Now I deal with the I, J deal with the J. 12 plus 6 is 18 and minus 1. 18 I minus 1 J. Denominator will have, I think, 7. It's 7. This is position vector. You can write it down in the split form as well, like 18 upon 7 I vector minus 1 upon 7 of J vector. So both are the correct ways to represent the solution.